Alright, so we took 600 out of Money Heist. We've put $100 in this. We're going to try a challenge on this one. Dragon Train, Sun Shots, 5-cent denomination, $1.25 bets. And I'll see you if we get a feature. So it's been a decent start. I put in 100 as you've seen before. We're only down just under $18. 3 games. Let's see how we go with the substitutes in the middle. Good start, 2 on the first. Of course, you always got to have that dead spin. Oh, even if we get him, oh, we would have got the Dragon Train. One more. No, it's been pretty average. No, that's it. $3.80 from $1.25. That's terrible. All right, so we're back in. Last games were woeful, as you've seen. $27 down 6 games. We've got 6 games and 5 of the Dragon Trains there. It's a better one. 5 aces times 2 lines. Of course, when we get the 4. Not enough, and unfortunately with 1 game left. Now we need them to drop in. Of course, aces. But that's not bad. 28.85, back over 100. And I'll see you again if we get a feature. Alright, so that one took a little bit longer, $50, and we're back in again. It's a good pay line. Come on, now drop in. There we are. I really didn't expect that one to drop in. Now we just need the Dragon Train. Come on. Or a mini or an R. Kelly. Major is at $5.95. The Fortune at $14.39 and $57 for the grand jackpot here today. Last spin. No, still in it. Oh, that Dragon Train dropping past. And again, but nope, no bueno. Still got 2 free games to go in the games too. Last game. 41, so we're back over $90. All right, so we're back in. About $12 later, we've gotten the games again. Well, this is a better one now. At least we've got 6 each time. And we got 2 more spins. Well, that's not a bad substitute. And that's it. Last spin. All right, so this one, I think we're done. One more spin after this. $100 challenge has been a bust on this one, but we are going to put another $100 in. This time I'm going to go up to $3.75 bets, just like I did with the Bandit link, and see how we go with that one. So I'll see you in a moment. Sorry for the cut off before. I got served by a lady with the drinks, the waitress, and didn't want to be rude. So I'll see you soon. All right, so this seems to be my favorite bet. $3.75 on the 5-cent denom. $43 down on this one. Good with a dead spin. Of course, it gives you 2 of the gold nuggets, whatever you want to call them. Now, what's your favourite bet at home? You prefer $1.25, $5 on a $1 denom, $3.75 like myself. Last spin. And nothing. $8.40, $3.75, and I'll be back if we get another feature. Alright, so a few spins later, we're back in. Let's see if this can make up for the last third of the games that we got. Better start in the second game. Come on, now drop in, Dragon Train. Of course not. Last game, we can get it if we drop it in. Substitutes again. $53, not too bad, but I would have preferred the hold and spin feature. And that Dragon Train 2 games before would have been amazing. Well, I'll be back again if we get some more games. Alright, so went up to $5 bets, $1 denom, 5 lines. Let's see how we go this time. Ooh, one more up. Not a good start, we've only won in 2 spins. Come on. Oh, drop in. And we're in Dragon Train, beautiful. $5 bets, this should be decent, hopefully. I didn't think that was going to drop in. We can get some decent numbers, maybe an R. Kelly or a Mini would be amazing. Not bad, a bit better, $20. Oh, 5. And that's it. Now for the Dragon Train. Oh, the fortune jackpot is exactly $1,444. That's better numbers, not only $20 ones, please. Some 50 and hundreds minimum. Oh, that's it. We're done. Wow, that was terrible. $170. Only 3 dropped in. Well, better than nothing, but that was still pretty woeful for a Dragon Train. A little under 300, but we still have one more game to go. Come on. Oh, drop in again. No, of course not. Last game, that's it. All right, so we're back in again. $270 after we got games. Well, that's a lot better. Oh, 3 extra games as well. Forgot about that on the edges. And that's 4 of a kind, the jacks and the lotion bottle, I think I should call it. Oh, 5 of a kind of the ladies. And that pays $250. Very nice indeed. We still have 4 games to go. Four of a kind 2 ways. All 5 of a kind again. The Ravens. 150 for that one. Another 4 of a kind of the archery pouches. 4 kings, 4 jacks. And we're in last spin too. So we've already won 645. This is putting us over the $800 mark here easily. Beautiful win from a $5 bet. It has been pretty average though, including that Dragon Train. I only got 170, I think it was. $875 total win. Very good. Well, I will set a ceiling on this one now. Sorry, a floor should I mean, not a ceiling. Ceiling would be amazing if we can keep going up. But a floor of, let's do 700. And I'll see you again soon if we get another feature. All right, look at this one. First 6, wow. Decent numbers too. 525 to start off the $5 bets. Let's see if we get some bigger ones. Another 250, beautiful. I want those $5 ones to stay away though. $10 one, still keeps us in it though. Last spin, and that's done. But I'm very, very happy with that. There's 700, nearly $900, I think it is. Sorry, nearly 800. I think it's $10 off 800. Yep. 790. Now it's starting to pick up now. All right, so we're gonna set the floor now to $1,500. 3 more spins, unless we get some pop in. And that's it.